Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Outlook version and whether your account is Exchange versus IMAP or POP, because that changes the transfer method. Once done, open File Open and export the calendar to a PSD or IX file. Choose the calendar folder only. Make sure Outlook is closed before copying the file, then copy the backup to an external drive or secure cloud storage so you can access it on the new computer. You'll install the same Outlook version or a compatible release on the new computer to avoid compatibility issues. Next, copy the PSD or IX file from your drive or cloud to a local folder. Then open Outlook, add the same email account if needed, and go to File Open and import/export. Choose Import from another program or file for PSD or import an iCalendar. IX file. Follow prompts to map folders and import. You finish by verifying every event, recurring meeting, and attachment appears correctly in the calendar view. Spot check important dates. If items are missing, re-import the PSD or IX, and if the file seems corrupt, run Outlook repair scampst. EXE on the PSD. For Exchange accounts, make sure the account is connected and allow time for server sync to propagate changes. If sync stalls, restart Outlook and check connection status to resolve lingering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.